Bacchus's sons, be not dismayed, but join with me each jovial ballad. Come booze and sing and lend your aid to help me with the chorus. Instead of spa, we'll drink brown ale and pay the reckoning on the nail. No man for debt shall go to jail, from Garryowen in glory. We are the boys that take delight in smashing the Limerick lamps when lighting through the streets like sporters fighting and tearing all before us. Instead of spa, we'll drink brown ale and pay the reckoning on the nail. No man for debt shall go to jail, from Garryowen in glory. We'll break windows, we'll break doors, the watch knocked down by threes and fours. Then let the doctors work their cures and tinker up our bruises. Instead of spa, we'll drink brown ale and pay the reckoning on the nail. No man for debt shall go to jail, from Garryowen in glory. We'll beat the bailiffs out of fun, we'll make the mayor and sheriffs run. We are the boys no man dares done if he regards a whole skin. Instead of spa, we'll drink brown ale and pay the reckoning on the nail. No man for debt shall go to jail, from Garryowen in glory. Our hearts so stout have got us fame, for soon 'tis known from whence we came. Where'er we go they dread the name of Garryowen in glory. Instead of spa, we'll drink brown ale and pay the reckoning on the nail. No man for debt shall go to jail, from Garryowen in glory. Johnny Connell's tall and straight, and in his limbs he is complete. He'll pitch a bar of any weight, from Garryowen to Thomond Gate. Instead of spa, we'll drink brown ale and pay the reckoning on the nail. No man for debt shall go to jail, from Garryowen in glory. Garryowen is gone to rack since Johnny Connell went to Cork. Though Darby O'Brien leapt over the dock in spite of all the soldiers. Instead of spa, we'll drink brown ale and pay